Hello and welcome, dear students and commerce enthusiasts. I'm delighted to have you here on our channel, your trusted destination for mastering commerce concepts with ease and clarity. Are you a BCom or MCom student, or perhaps someone preparing for competitive exams like CA, CMA, CAs, banking, or government jobs? Well, you are in the right place. This channel is designed especially for you to make commerce not just easy to understand, but also interesting and practical for real-world success. Here, we believe that every student deserves simple explanations for even the toughest topics. Whether you are struggling with market segmentation, business planning, financial markets, digital marketing, or research methodology, you'll find step-by-step guidance, exam tips, and plenty of examples. On this channel, you will find in-depth explanations of core commerce concepts from your syllabus, multiple choice questions, MCQs, and practice sets to boost your exam preparation, detailed answers and tricks to solve complex problems, case studies featuring real companies and current market trends, tips and strategies for entrance exams and interviews in the commerce field, quick revision guides and study hacks to help you score better. Our goal is simple: to empower you with knowledge and confidence, no matter where you are in your academic journey. We use simple language, practical examples, and interactive sessions so learning doesn't feel boring or stressful. Whether you are studying for college exams, getting ready for competitive entrances, or just want to strengthen your basics in finance, business, and marketing, you'll find everything organized and easy to access. So, if you want to gain a strong foundation in commerce, prepare for exams effectively and systematically, stay updated with the latest trends and practices, get real answers to real questions, then subscribe now and don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss a video. Feel free to comment below about any topics you want us to cover or any doubts you may have. Remember, this is your channel made for students by an educator who understands what you need to succeed. Let's start this journey together. Welcome again, and let's make commerce easy, fun, and rewarding for you.